how to create weird and wonderful blurs in Affinity Photo using live filter layers. Select a layer, go to Layer and New Live Filter Layer and Blur and Gaussian Blur. Set the Preserve Alpha on and then set the radius. Also go maybe for a blend mode, maybe screen or lighten, overlay, etc. Close the panel, then go and select the Gaussian Blur over here and right click, duplicate, and then select again, right click and duplicate. Now what you can do, you can bring up Gaussian Blur panel again, just double click the entry there and leave this open. You can leave this panel open. You can change and vary the setting. You can also go through the various blending modes. So I'm just going to go for maybe linear light. Select that one, and again you can go in and select change, multiply, color burn. Select this one. Go for soft light or color burn and run through them, multiply. Select that one. So a lot of different combinations, and you can create all kinds of weird and wonderful images simply by selecting. And of course also what you can do, you can vary this as well, the radius setting, and you can change the setting. Some work better than others. You can get a nice misty sort, and that's it. Close it, and there's your weird and wonderful blur design, which would probably be very hard to create from a single blur. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.